Hello and welcome to this quick guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on Brave News in the Brave browser on your mobile device. If you're looking to stay updated with trending and personalized news directly from your browser, this feature is perfect for you. Let's get started. Open the Brave browser on your mobile device. Tap the three dots located at the bottom right corner of your screen to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Brave News. Now tap Turn on Brave News to activate the feature. You will see options like Popular, where you can follow general trending news. Tap on Channels to explore and follow specific categories or news outlets you're interested in. Once selected, Brave News will begin showing articles based on your preferences on the New tab page, and that's how you enable Brave News on mobile. It's quick, easy, and helps you stay informed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks.